Great. Why is it such bad camera viewing?
Get up, you
That was such...
All right, stop filming now. Guess who's back? Back again. Boney's back. Hello, friend. Boney's back. Boney's back. Okay, anyway. Well, I know it has been quite a while, and yes, Boney looks. Oh my gosh! And Boney just broke his leg off, so he has 2 limbs out of.
He has 2 limbs, and that's about
Out
it.
of 4. So I know it's been quite a while, but we ran out of video ideas. So guess what? He's back.
Boney is back.
Back again. Well,
I don't think
that's
that
never
works
going back
anymore.
on. That will be forever remembered. Well, that's unfortunate, but Boney, he's back. Guys, say hi, Boney. Hi. And guess what? He has decided.
Guys, ow! I think my leg fell off.
Guess what? He's back on the one chiropractor that screwed him over in the first place.
Oh yeah.
So,
by the way, we
hang
did
on.
a little paint job for Halloween, but you know.
Yeah, but it's just black.
Yeah, we kind of just hung him by chains, but still.
Other than that, nothing. So, you know what, Boney? If you could just hold this so it doesn't get in the way.
First,
As we're going to do the same order again, Luke is definitely, he will go on a rampage again. Because good content. Blaze will go second and I will go first. Okay?
As you know, we've had some past history.
Luke.
Today we're going to be killing some people. Okay.
Some past history.
Yeah.
Roll the clip.
Roll the clip.
We've got Luke absolutely destroying Boney in his last 2 videos. So, you know what, Boney? This is... Pull it together. Okay, you two, get off camera. I'm going to do adjustments on you. I said in the first video. Okay, Boney, welcome back. How does it feel to be back?
Bro, they can't see Boney.
Oh, yeah. Boney, how does it feel to be back? Good, good, great. So, how do you feel it? What's hurting? Well, it doesn't matter, 'cause I'm going to fix everything.
Hey.
Okay, Boney. Let's start with... Oh, no, I did it again. Just got to fix the leg again. Just get your leg back in shape. All right, Boney. How are you feeling? Tell me. Where does it hurt?
Oh my gosh, you're breaking his spine. Now, is his spine supposed to bend like that?
Wait, what? Stop kicking yourself. Stop kicking yourself. Stop kicking yourself. All right, last one. One more, actually. That was kind of fun.
I don't think Boney is. Oh my god! Oh,
Wait, I can put it back.
the neck, the head.
These are pennies.
Leave some for us. I'm trying to fix his jaw over here. Is that what Boney used to look like?
Okay, Blaze's turn.
My turn.
Yeah, we're just gonna hang. We're gonna hang this baby. Ready?
I'm still gonna do my, little leg adjustments if you've watched the
Spinal cord.
videos. So, tell me when to stop. Tell me when it hurts. Sorry, I'm pretty sure you broke his spine. Let me just.
I did
Okay.
break the spine.
Sit.
It's chunking
All
on
right.
the ground.
Tell me when to stop. Tell me when to stop, Boney. Just a little bit. Too far? All right. Let me just go
He didn't
a little
say
bit
stop.
less. Let's just go all the way around. You know.
You guys don't
All
deserve
the way around.
Stop!
What'd you say? Keep going?
Stop
All right.
now!
You know, is your spine having some issues? I guess.
Yeah,
it
this
hurt
spine,
from
Blaze?
earlier.
The one that you just drop kicked?
Oh, yeah, that's.
Okay,
Look at him.
Blaze, stop.
Look at the front of him. He's bent completely to the side. That's the front of him. Yeah, he only got 1 leg, so you might not be able to tell. But that is the front of him.
He has 2 limbs. Oh,
What,
no,
two?
he's got 2.
Yeah, barely.
Stop it! Leave some
to him. All right, let me just put him in the perfect position for
Okay,
Mike. This is just a pile of bones. It isn't even bony
Crazy
anymore.
intro.
Okay, tell me where.
Drinking like fresh
got you. I learned how to play the guitar over the weekend. Ready? Oh, damn it!
That was
Damn
They
it.
can't see
Stop.
bony, which is probably a good thing though.
Oh,
He
frick.
was trying to play the guitar with his dead skeleton.
Oh, frick.
Well, on that fun note, that is going to be it for today.
Yeah, I think
He's still over there doing something.
he's doing his job.
Oh, I just broke it. Yay!
At least that wasn't on the concrete. That was on the concrete.
Don't lose any more limbs.
Oh my god! Okay, well, that's going to be it. You guys have a great day. I'm sorry you guys had to see that. Bye. Please like and subscribe, though. Really.